Yeah, good day everyone. My name is Unlimitedfayo. Welcome to my channel. I home for cinematographer. And today I'll be taking you guys on the interface of Adobe Premiere, and I'll also be teaching you on how to import brushes to Adobe Premiere without losing the frame rate while you import. You come here. I'm going to teach you 4 different ways to import into Adobe Premiere. Let's open Adobe. Okay, now let's display like this. Then new project. Once you click new project, you name it. Once you name it, you choose destination where you want all the project files to be saving. That's it. Then the capture format, you choose DV. If you're using camcorder and cameras that doesn't have higher definition, so you choose DV. Then you click, it pops out the timeline. This is your timeline. This is your editing timeline. You see all those frames, you can change the sizes anyhow you like it. You can replace them, put them in different form. You can see if by mistake remove this program frame from here and maybe fix it like this and your timeline looks so rough, you can just go to Windows workspace, then you go to reset saved layout. You see it get back to what it was before. Then this is your timeline. Then I'm going to teach you 4 different ways to import into Adobe Premiere. HDV, DV format, any format. I'm going to teach you how to import to Adobe Premiere right now. So you can use the first way is by clicking File, Import, then you pick your file, import. It loads and it brings it down here. Program frame. Right here, you can just right click here, then go to import and then click open. It imports straight. The third one, you can just move to media browser. If you can't find your media browser here, you come to your Windows work frame. This is your media browser. Shortcode is Shift 8. Then just click it. Your media browser comes out back. Then from here, you open the hard drive where your files are being kept. Yeah. This is the video you're looking for. Then you right click and import. Then the last way, you're going to minimize. Let's say this is the file. Then you bring it to your Adobe and drop it. You can see the same file I import. Every one of it comes in 3 different ways. Those are the ways you can get your videos being import. Then the second thing I'm going to talk about is getting the same frame rate you use in shooting the rushes, you use in shooting the videos. You just click on the video, right click, then you say create a new sequence from clip. It pops out your sequence and it gives you the same frame rate in which you use in shooting. In the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut vids. I will teach you easy ways to cut your little videos to post. So see you. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.